Hi, this is a lesson plan. Differentiate the sounds between L and R. Pronunciation. Pronunciation is how words are pronounced. Pronunciation is vital to proper communication because the incorrect use of pronunciation inevitably leads to the message being misunderstood by the recipient. In the following information, we present lesson plan. Differentiate the sounds between L and R. Materials. We have a list of material we use for this lesson plan as a video, YouTube, quizzes online, and some information. Also, we use a speaker and computer. Objectives. Distinguish between the sounds R and L and as well as pronouncing it correctly. Say tongue twister which contain the target sounds and will be able to differentiate and produce R and L sounds. Brochures. Presentation. The students watched two videos where explained how to pronounce correctly the phoneme R and L. Here we can see the two links of the videos and the picture where the students is watching the videos. Activity number 1. Video explicative. The student watched Rachel's English video to analyze the comparison between L and R consonant sounds. We can see the link in the picture where the students watched the video. Activity number 2. Exercise of repetition through videos. The students did exercises of repetition watching the following videos. L consonant sound, this is the link. R consonant sound, we have the link, and we have the picture where she watched the videos, how the mouth, the articulation of the mouth to pronounce correct the words. Activity number 3. Minimal pair L and R. The student read the following information to differentiate and practice the pronunciation between L and R consonant sounds. This information she used to practice several words. Activity number 4. Quizzing students. The students used the following link to answer a quiz. First, listening to the recording and then selecting the word they hear. We can see the links of the quiz and where she answered the quiz and she had a score of 100%. Activity number 5. Assessment. The students listen to the following tongue twister after they recorded using the web application vocaro.com and send it to the teacher email. Here is the links of the video. Here is the links of the web application to record, and this is the links of the recorded she sends. And finally, we have a homework. The student received a worksheet with sentences and phrases using the phoneme L and R. They will make audio recording and send it to the teacher email. Learning outcomes. The student learned the pronunciation and differentiation of R and L, explained the sound articulation through the context. The students practiced the pronunciation of R and L and tongue twister. The student received activities in verb practice, so drilling, repetition, and communicative activities. Thanks.